I want to send message to my first degree connection, and here is a trick. And you just need to write with the help of AI, and now you can see that. Sales Navigator write the message according to this person. And if you want to add here more your services, you just need to click here and manage product, and from here you can add about more your services. If you are providing more than 2 services, or if you have a 2 business, so simply you just need to add here. And if you want to change the business, you just need to click on this pencil. You can also change your business. And if you want to add something more, so you just need to click add new, and after this you just need to write name of your product. For example, if you are providing the web development, so simply you just need to write here the web development, and after this you just need to write here your website. And if you are providing logo design, graphics, and if you are providing lead generation, simply you just need to write here the lead generation and then provide here your website. And then you just need to click on analyze page, and then Sales Navigator AI will write all those things. And now you can see that. And if I want to change here, simply I just need to click on pencil, and from here I can change the name of my product, and here is my website. And now you can see that this is a description of my services. And from here I can also delete and change. It's totally up to you. And once you are satisfied, and then you can send the AI personalized message. And now you can see that. And simply you can send more messages. For example, I want to send this one, and now you can simply you just need to click on create AI, and now you can see that. And now you can see that. So simply you can send a message to your target audience. And if you are sending the email, you can also send email. For example, this one we are sending the email. Simply you just need to find your target audience and set the filter of Sales Navigator, and then you just need to click on create graph. And now it will also write the subject line of the email and also write the email message. And now you can see that. So Sales Navigator also writing your subject line and also writing the email, and now you can see that. And after this you just need to click on set.